everyone, I am back this time with another Dolls Kill video. I'm getting ready to go to some festivals and I wanted to get something that was fun and unique, and usually when I'm looking for that kind of outfit I go to Dolls Kill. So here we go. Okay, so here it is. It comes in this cool plastic, which I love the graffiti on here. So who knows, maybe one day I'll do a project with that. Okay, and here's the box. I did open it up beforehand. I just couldn't wait. I'm sorry, guys. So let's see what's underneath all the black tissue paper. Okay, first up is this two-piece set that I got, and I'm going to show you a picture of what it looks like on the website. Two-piece set. Here's what it looks like. There's like a bra top, and this is the skirt right here. So that's the first item, bra top and skirt. That's cute. I'm gonna be wearing that to Afropunk. Okay, next items in here. Let's see. So here's a fur belt that I got. Okay, true story. I am like feeling the faux fur, and I have a faux fur purse that I want to pair this with, and I'm gonna put this together for some of my fall look ideas. So I looked at it online, I gave it a rough look online, and then I'm looking at it now. Here's what it looks like out of the wrapping, and I think that it's gonna match with the purse that I have. Again, this is faux fur, so don't light me up, guys. This is not real fur, it's faux fur. And the purse that I have is also faux fur. So yeah, I think this is gonna look good with some of my fall looks, and really gonna match that purse that I already got. I got it from J. Crew. Surprise, surprise. That's another fun store that I love to shop at. Next up are these shades. They're so cool. So here are some fun shades that I got. Okay, another thing that's in the haul that I'm so excited about, these shoes. Oh my goodness. I really wanted a pair of black wedges like these when I was in high school. They were all the rage. This is giving me like Daria vibes, you know? So I cannot wait to put these on. They're gonna be so cute. These slides are so dang cute. I love the chains on the top. They really remind me of the 80s and the 90s and just how hard everybody was trying to be, and I just love that. And the other thing that was in this box, but I took out a little bit earlier, was this white bell sleeve shirt. It's off the shoulder, it's crop top, it's so cute. So that was the haul, everybody. I hope you liked it. I'm gonna post some of the things that I bought in here on Instagram, so be on the lookout for that. I'll also put some ideas that I have for Afropunk. That's the festival I'm getting ready to go to. That'll be on my blog. I'll try to link that somewhere. In the meantime, love you. Look out for my next video. Bye.